Okay, welcome back to Panick Inc Custom Shop. Today we got something in the box for the showcase bass. We had a package come in yesterday from our good friends over at KSM Guitars. Let's see what we've got here. We have a massive stack of KSM stickers. I will be distributing those around for sure. Got a nice little note here. Rob, looking forward to working with you on this project. Thanks for reaching out to us to be a part of it. Hope you dig the bridge. Best, Chris Hampton. Always nice to have a nice little personalized note. And we have the KSM Foundation Bridge. First take reminds me of an old cassette tape. Some of you younger people won't know what I'm talking about, but all of us old guys know. Trust me. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we've got here. Oh yeah. We have the KSM Foundation Bridge. First reaction to this thing, nice and solid. Seems to be really well made. Everything fits nice and tight. Got some heft to it, but not super heavy, so it's not going to add a whole bunch of extra unnecessary weight to your bass. One of the things I've noticed right off the bat, there aren't any screws on the intonation. There aren't any springs on the intonation screws. And we're going to see why here in just a second. We've got our mounting screws. Seem to be pretty good hardware, not some cheap screws like you get with cheaper bridges. Comes with a couple of Allen wrenches. The instructions with the breakdown of the different components. All right, let's take a look. One of the things I did see on KSM's website is you have to remove all of the clamping bolts from the clamping plate. And we'll go over all this again when it comes time to actually install the bridge, when we do the how-to video of installing it, so you can see a lot more in depth. For now, we're just going to do a quick break it down and take a look. We've got everything out of the clamp plate. Then on this side we have the pinch plate, which pinches and holds all of the saddles tight together. Need to pop these screws out. And the reason we don't have any springs is that the bridge is machined for the screw heads to fit in there, and that holds them in place. Then to make the adjustment, put your Allen wrench in the back and adjust your intonation. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And then the smaller Allen wrench goes into the front here to adjust string height. Gotta admit, that's a pretty nice system we have here. And again, once we reach the stage of assembling the bass, we'll do a more in-depth video of actually putting the KSM Foundation Bass Bridge onto the bass, how to install it, how to set it up, and all that good stuff. Be sure to go look down in the link below me here. Check out KSM, where you can get their great bass bridges. There'll be a link down below me here. Check out Panick Inc Custom Shop. That's our website. There you'll find all of the stuff we do: custom bass guitars, DIY bass bodies, DIY headstock, custom headstock logos, water slide decals, as well as the Showcase Bass project, where we're going to be doing different reviews and how-tos from products all throughout the industry. All of those links are down below us. Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of those good things. Links down below. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our projects we're doing here with the Showcase Bass, and see all the cool videos. Anyway, thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.